Hi everybody, so tonight we're going to be making some snapper. I'm going to dredge it in a little bit of panko breadcrumbs and mainly Parmesan cheese, and then I'm going to cook it in the air fryer for about 9 minutes. Altogether, this is going to have about 250 to 260 calories. It's going to have like 35 grams of protein. Now the snapper was about $20 for both pieces, so a little bit more than some of the other ones, but grab the fish. Dredge it in some of the mixture. I don't want to put too much on it. It just to make it a little bit different. So it's ready to roll. There's also some Italian seasoning in here. Snapper is a very common fish, especially in South Florida. Always around, year-round. My favorite happens to be yellowtail. If not, I have lane snapper or even red snapper. I'm not really picky. I like snapper. Many ways to cook it. Just some seasoning in the air fryer. As you see, this is mainly Parmesan cheese with a little bit of panko crumbs. You could grill it, grill pan, you could saute it. There are many ways to cook it, and all of them are just as delicious as the others. So we're just waiting for the air fryer to heat up. Grab me some vegetables while it's doing that. Gonna have some cauliflower and broccoli. I'll throw that into the air fryer steamer. This is ready now, so I'll place it in here. Like that. It's ready. A little bit of water. This cooks about 4 minutes in the microwave. And then we'll be having dinner in roughly 9 minutes. And as usual, I will be taking a picture for the thumbnail. And bon appetit, everybody enjoy. And thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe button, share, and hope you learned something.